Hello, it's Gabriel39. Today I'm going to show you how to open up the iPhone 3G. Now, I'm going to be doing it right here. Like, I'm going to be aiming at the ottoman here. And as you can see here, my 3G. First thing you do is power the phone down. Oops. And power it down. Plus, I've already taken the screws out on the bottom here. And then, after you take the screws out, get your suction cup right here. Put it on here and gently pry up on the screen. Like that. And then if you look carefully, there's cables right here. The first one will pop out. There are cables right here. Carefully. Then get your screwdriver here. Carefully pop up the cable. Like that. And then here's one last one, the ribbon lock cable. You just press the little black thing up here. Like that. Carefully come out, and there's the cables here. Like 3 cables right here. Here's the inside of the iPhone too, right here. Right here is the vibrator, see? And it does hold the motherboard here. Looks totally different from the other than the iPhone 4, doesn't it? Tell me in the comments below what this little orange thing means right here in the circle right here. And here's the SIMs right here, and the Wi-Fi thing here. And down here, the dock connector cable. Very cool, huh? Cool, huh? Now I'm going to show you how to put it back together. Get your screen here and look for the ribbon cable number 3 right here. Pull the other cables back and put number 3 into its correct slot here. It's going to be a little hard for me to do this. Like this. Push the lock on it downward. The same for number 2. Push it down in the place. Gotta push it back a tiny bit. Heard it, huh? Number 1 is the trickiest. It got tilted in a really, really hard angle. You can get your finger right in the slot there. It's just hard. Or you can get your screwdriver and push that cable down. So, just like that underneath. Now push the screen into place. Like this. Then your power phone on. Just like this. That's how you disassemble and reassemble your iPhone 3G. And the safe boots up all the way. And the safe digital still works like kind of touch response. See it? There you go. It's how I fix my iPhone 3G all the time. And just put your 2 screws back in. It's basically for this little video. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you.